Welcome to Sushmita's science class. Here, science will be made very interesting and easy.
Deserts are the areas which receive very less rainfall and therefore have very less vegetation. The soil is mostly sandy, water bodies are few and far from each other. Deserts are very hot during day but cold during the night. The animals living in the desert have adapted themselves to the high temperature of their habitat. The deserts are full of snakes, scorpions, rats, etc. To escape the heat of the desert, these animals live in the burrows dug under the ground during the day and come out only during the night. Their eyes are also adapted to see at night. Camel is a big herbivore adapted to stay in hot desert. We can see the features. It has long legs. Long legs help them to keep their body away from the hot sand. So heat does not reach the body easily. They have thick fur on the top of the body for shading against the hot sun and thin fur elsewhere to allow easy heat loss. The temperature fluctuates from 34 degree to 41.7 degree Celsius. It helps to conserve water by not sweating. It has a hump to store fat which can be metabolized for energy when the camel doesn't get food or water. See the head of the camel. You can see the thick lips. These are adapted to eat prickly desert plants without feeling pain. ये थिक लिप्स उनको हेल्प करता है कांटेदार पौधों को खाने के लिए, तो उससे उनको चुभता भी नहीं है और दर्द भी नहीं होता. सी द लॉन्ग आई लैशेस कीप्स द सैंड आउट. कैमल हैज़ 2 layers ऑफ आई लैशेस. ये लंबे लंबे आई लैशेस जो होते हैं ये सैंड को आँख के अंदर घुसने से बचाता है. सी द थिक आईब्रोज. दे शील्ड द आई फ्रॉम हॉट डेजर्ट सन. आईब्रोज उनके इतने थिक होते हैं कि उससे आँखों तक धूप नहीं पहुंच सकता. सी द नॉस्ट्रल्स. नॉस्ट्रल्स कैन बी क्लोज्ड टू प्रिवेंट एंटरिंग ऑफ द सैंड. ऊंट अपने नथुनों को बंद कर सकता है ताकि उसके अंदर सैंड ना जाए. सी द ईयर्स. दे आर स्मॉल कंपेयर्ड टू द होल बॉडी and it is covered with hair both outside and inside. ईयर्स के अंदर और बाहर बाल होते हैं ताकि अंदर तक धूल मिट्टी ना पहुंच सके. द कलर ऑफ द बॉडी blends into the environment. Now we will see the padded large flat feet. See, the feet of the camel is large flat feet with thick skin. See, the feet of the camel is large flat feet with thick skin to spread the weight on the sand and walk without sinking in the sand. The thick skin and the padded feet protect the camel from the hot sand. It has long legs. The heat does not reach the body. Camel has thick skin to protect the internal organs from the hot sun. So let's revise at a glance. Adaptation in camels. Camel is a big herbivore adapted to stay in a hot desert. Herbivore means eating plants. It has thick skin to protect it from extreme heat of the sun during the day and from cold at night. It has thick fur on the top of the body for shading against hot sun and scanty of hair elsewhere to prevent loss of water through their skin and to allow easy heat loss. The large, flat, broad, padded feet helps to spread their weight on the sand and walk without sinking. and the padded feet with thick skin protect them from the hot sand. It has long legs so that heat doesn't reach the body. The temperature fluctuates from 34 to 41.7 Celsius. It helps to conserve water by not sweating. The color of the body blends into the environment. It has hump which store food. It can be metabolized for energy when there is no food for long time. The camel drinks a large amount, about 46 liters of water in one session when the water is available, and can carry on for days together without water. It has thick lips to eat prickly desert plants without feeling pain. It has nostrils which can be closed so that during the sand dunes the sand do not enter their nose and irritate them. Ears covered with hair inside and outside both so that the sand do not go inside the ears, and the ears are comparatively smaller compared to their big bodies. Then they have thick eyebrows which shield the eye from the hot desert sun. Then they have two layers of long eyelashes. Again, this protects the eyes from the sand to enter the eyes and irritate them.
If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.